Starting a cleaning service might seem daunting, but today, we're going to break it down into simple, actionable steps. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to launch your business and start your journey toward financial freedom. So grab a notebook and let's dive right in. First, let's talk mindset. Building a business, especially a service-based one, isn't just about having the right tools. It's about having the right attitude. You'll need determination, patience, and a clear vision of what you want your business to achieve. So ask yourself, why do I want to start this cleaning service? Whether it's to earn extra income, gain independence, or pursue a passion, knowing your why will guide your steps and keep you motivated. Every great business starts with a plan. Define your target market. Are you catering to residential homes, offices, or specialty spaces like gyms or daycare centers? Knowing this will shape your entire strategy. Outline startup costs, including supplies, transportation, marketing, and any licensing fees. Don't forget to include an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Establish pricing. Research what competitors are charging in your area. Your rates should reflect the value you provide while staying competitive. Consider offering tiered pricing, basic, deep clean, or add-ons like carpet shampooing. Plan for growth. Think about where you see your business in a year or two. Do you want to hire employees? Expand to new areas? Write it all down. You'll likely need a business license if your state and city require it. Liability insurance to protect yourself and your clients. 3. A tax ID or EIN if you plan to hire employees. And don't forget to choose a business name that's easy to remember, reflects your services, and is available online as a domain name for your website. Branding isn't just about a logo, it's about the experience you promise your customers. Start with these essentials: a professional logo and business card. You can create these using platforms like Canva or hire a designer for a polished look. Your unique selling point, USP. What sets your cleaning service apart? Maybe it's eco-friendly products, flexible scheduling, or top-notch customer service. Highlight this in all your marketing. At the very least, create a website with your services, contact information, and client testimonials. Also, set up business profiles on platforms like Google My Business, Yelp, and social media sites. To deliver excellent service, you'll need the right tools. Invest in high-quality cleaning supplies and equipment. A basic starter kit might include 1. All-purpose cleaners. 2. Microfiber cloths. 3. Mops, vacuums, and scrub brushes. 4. Specialty cleaners for windows, carpets, and stainless steel. You can grab them at your local store, or, for convenience, click the Amazon link in the description. You can also brand your supplies with your logo to make a lasting impression on clients. You're ready to attract your first clients. Here's how: word of mouth. Start with friends, family, and neighbors. Offer a small discount for referrals to get the ball rolling. Online marketing. Use platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your work. Post before and after photos, cleaning tips, and special offers. Flyers and local ads. Drop off flyers at community centers, coffee shops, and local businesses. Include a clear call to action, like call today for 10% off your first cleaning. Networking. Join local business groups or attend community events. Building relationships can lead to steady clients and even partnerships. Your reputation is everything. To ensure happy clients and glowing reviews, focus on these key elements. Consistency. Always deliver the quality you promise. Confirm appointments. Be clear about what's included in your services and address any concerns promptly. Ask clients how you did and what could be improved. Use this feedback to refine your services. Once you've gained momentum, think about ways to grow. 1. Hire employees. Start with part-time staff to keep costs manageable. Train them to maintain your high standards. 2. Expand services. Add options like organizing, carpet cleaning, or move-in, move-out cleans. 3. Automate processes. Use scheduling and invoicing software to save time and streamline operations. Keep an eye on your progress by tracking monthly income and expenses. Customer retention rates. The number of referrals and new clients. Use this data to identify what's working and where you can improve. Launching your cleaning service doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a solid plan, the right tools, and a commitment to excellent service, you can create a business that not only supports you financially, but also gives you the freedom and flexibility you've been dreaming of. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step today and start building the life you deserve. And remember, every successful business starts with someone who believed in their ability to make it happen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's thinking about starting their own cleaning service. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success.